hope you're having a good day today. We've been busy here at the library getting our videos and taking create bags done for you. Have you been doing some summer reading? Don't forget to write down the titles of the books you read. After you read 10 books or for 5 hours, you can bring your reading log into the library and pick out your prize and enter the drawing for the grand prize. We've got some fun prizes this year. I'm going to show you just a few of them. I won't show them all to you because we have a lot of choices. But I'll show you a couple. We have some awesome bubble wands. This one has like a little dragon on top and he makes some noise. We have some neat water bottles that say imagine your story. And we also have some fun unicorn headbands, so you can pretend you're a unicorn. All right, how about we open our mail and see what we have in the mail today. I wonder what it is. You know what letter that is? The letter U. If you guessed the letter U, that's right. So uppercase U. Let's see what else we have. And here's the lowercase u. They look almost the same, don't they? Letter U's are fun to make. You start at the top, go straight down, around, and up. And the same thing for the little one, only smaller. Straight down, around, and up, and then straight back down. Let's try to write one in the air. Are you ready? Get your writing fingers ready. Let's do the uppercase. Straight line down, up, all the way to the top. Now let's do the lowercase. Start down lower, go down, back up, and straight down. Good job. Letter U. Do you know what sound the letter U makes? U says Let's see what's in our next envelope. We have a picture of an umbrella. Umbrella, that's something that starts with the letter U. Umbrella. And what do we have here? There's 2 arrows, and what direction are the arrows pointing? They're going up, aren't they? Up. Up starts with the letter U. And we have one more piece of mail to open. This is a funny one. Can you see what that is? It's something hanging on the clothesline. It's underwear. Underwear starts with the letter U also. And here is our sign language sign for the letter U. Put your first 2 fingers up. Keep your other fingers inside like that. U. Shall we sing our song? What does U say? What does U say? Umbrella up and underwear. Umbrella up and underwear. Okay. Good job with the letter U. Maybe you could play a game today at home and see how many other things you can think of that begin with the sound. Oh, I just thought of another one. Uncle. Uncle starts with the U sound, doesn't it? All right, are you ready for our story? I have been having so much fun getting ready for the story this week. It's one of my favorites and it's a fairy tale called Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl with golden hair, and her name was Goldilocks. She wanted to go for a walk in the woods. So she set out for her walk, and she got very, very lost. After a while, she came upon a cozy little cottage. She went up and she knocked on the door. Nobody answered. She noticed the door was open, so Goldilocks went inside. "Hello? Is anyone home?" she called out. Goldilocks was getting very hungry, so she followed her nose to a delicious smell coming from a table in the kitchen. And she saw some porridge. It smelled so good. Goldilocks tried a bite of the first bowl, but it was way too hot. Then she tried a bite from the second bowl, and it was way too cold. Next, she tried a bite from the little bowl, and it was just right, and she ate it all up. Well, after that long walk in the woods and the delicious porridge, Goldilocks started feeling sleepy. "I'm tired," she thought to herself. So she was walking around the house and she found some comfy looking chairs. So she thought she'd sit down for a bit. First she tried the big chair. It was much too high. Then she tried the second chair, and it was much too low. When Goldilocks tried the third chair, it was just right. But as soon as she sat down, oh no, crack! The chair broke. Uh-oh. By this time, Goldilocks was really tired and she wanted to lay down. She found a room with 3 cozy-looking beds in it. So she went over and she tried the first bed. Oh, it was much too hard. Then Goldilocks tried the second bed. It was much too soft. When she tried the third bed, it was just right, and Goldilocks fell fast asleep. Well, pretty soon, the 3 bears who lived in the cottage arrived back at their house. They had gone for a walk in the woods too while their porridge was cooling. When Papa Bear went up to the table, "Someone's been eating my porridge," he said. Mama Bear went to look at her porridge. "Well, I'll be, someone's been eating my porridge too," she said. When Baby Bear looked at his bowl, "Someone's been eating my porridge and it's all gone," he cried. The 3 bears were very upset and decided to sit down and relax. "Well, look at this. Someone's been sitting in my chair," said Papa Bear. "Well, I'll be, someone's been sitting in my chair too," said Mama Bear. Baby Bear went over by his chair. "Someone was sitting in my chair and now it's broken," he cried. The 3 bears were very upset and they decided to go into their room and take a nap. Papa Bear looked at his bed. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed," he said. Mama Bear looked at her bed. "Well, I'll be, someone's been sleeping in my bed too," she said. When Baby Bear got over by his bed, he said, "Someone's been sleeping in my bed and she's still there." Goldilocks hadn't meant to sleep so long, and when she heard the bears, she woke up with a fright, and she jumped up and she ran out of the bedroom, through the house, and out the front door into the woods. And before the three bears could say another word. I hope you enjoyed that story. This week, the preschool Take and Create bags have everything inside them that you'll need to make your own picture of a bear. There's paint, and guess what? You're not going to use a brush to paint your picture. You're going to use a fork. So it's got all the pieces inside of it to do that. It also has a letter U practice writing page. It has a fun activity called rainbow writing. First you write your name in pencil, and then you trace over the letters with several different colors of crayons or markers, whatever you have. Rainbow writing. And we've also included a cute little teddy bear poem that you can act out while your paint is drying on your pictures that you make. So I hope you have fun with those, and I also hope to see you soon. Maybe you can come into the library and check out some books one day. Bye!